Hello, today is Wednesday, December 23rd, 2015. My name is Daniel Mullaney and I am filming a video source inspection for Sitek Process Solutions. Today we'll be viewing a fully refurbished double stack ST unit. This unit's a little bit unique in its configuration and setup, so I will go ahead and get the process started first and then describe as we go. So, as we check in the top chamber, purging correctly. Wafer substrates looks good. Okay. Bottom, purging correctly. Setting substrates look good. Alright. So right here we have a fully refurbished ST unit. You know it's going to be an ST unit because of these controllers and the face plates, but mainly the controllers. Traditionally these controllers, these 328 controllers, will be mounted underneath the SRD. However, this is a slightly custom configuration. This customer needed to have transformers mounted. As you can see on the wall here, we're actually converting to 220 power off of our wall, so that way we can plug this SRD in, sort of mimicking the native 220 power that it will be hooked up to when it arrives in the field. The transformers are underneath in this area, and the transformers being underneath prevents the controllers from being located there, so this SRD has some custom poly work. Traditionally an ST unit will not have this entire poly look to it either. It'll have metal frames on the outside, so we really have a hybrid ST/F model here. In addition, the top SRD is capable of running up to 8-inch, where the bottom SRD is only capable of running up to 6-inch. So the chambers themselves are a little bit of a mismatch. Although, as you can see, that's no issue for getting this tool set up correctly. I'm going to take the controller up and do a little closer look at the controllers here. I'll take the camera up, Alright, so here we have refurbished 328 controllers. You can see you set your rents, your dry 1 and your dry 2 time over here. That's a countdown for the current step. Here's the RPM. See if I can... There we go. So dry 1 I'm setting at around 1800 RPM. And that's controlled by these knurled knobs. As you can see, the controllers have also been refurbished. Here's a little closer look at the SRD running well. I'll take a quick walk around to show you the cleanliness of the poly. It's a little difficult for me to get all the way behind because of the camera. As you can see, the drain boxes look great. All the poly pieces have been nicely cleaned. The SRD has been tagged on the back and serialized. Alright, every SRD refurbished by Sitek goes through the same extensive rebuild process. First, we're going to take an SRD and we're going to break it down to the component level. Once broken down, we will individually test all components for function and individually clean all metal and poly parts. Metal parts will be chemically cleaned and EFE'd as necessary. Poly parts will be chemically cleaned and replaced as necessary. And all components will be tested on our test fixtures. Once the tool has been completely, once all the individual components have been completely prepared for the build, the tool will begin its build and reach its next quality control checkpoints throughout the dry build. Once the entire build is taken care of, we will bring the tool into our final test area, which is where we are now. Once in final test, the tool will go through another extensive set of quality control while hooked up to full facilities. That will be full power, DI, and N2. Once passing all of our rigorous final quality controls, we'll film a video source inspection for the tool, and that's what I'm doing right now. This video source inspection will be uploaded to the web and provided for our customers' viewing to confirm the build and to ship out. In addition to refurbishing SRDs from our stock, Sitek also offers the service of full refurbishments to our customers. Simply send us a head-in and we will refurbish it using the same refurbishment schedule that we do for all of our tools. An example of one is right here. Sitek also provides all of the services and spare parts required to keep your tool up and running. That would include motor repairs, amp repairs, rotor rebalancing, controller repairs, and spare parts such as N2 heater element, your heater blankets, start-stop switches, windows, door seals, tack sensors, rotor stop positioners, ACR valves, solenoid valves, motors, controllers, replacement bowls, and any other part you could possibly need. Apart from our spin rinse or dryer division, Sitek also provides a variety of other refurbished semiconductor equipment to the front-end process market. This will include other wet process tools such as box washers. You can actually see a box washer outside right now. That's that large tool. Mask cleaners. We have another mask cleaner over here being worked on. Metrology tools such as profilometers, ellipsometers, thin film measurement tools, resistivity tools, and others. Photoresist pumps, photoresist pump repairs, barrel ashers and etchers, and microscopes. Okay, we're finishing up here now. You'll notice that on the top here, we have a 9-second spin down, or an error code 9. That's not actually an error code per se. All that is a code that lets you know that the tool is still in its spin down delay. The spin down delay for these controllers has been set to 60 seconds. You can either choose 30 or 60 seconds, but because we're using 6 and 8 inch substrates, it's better to go with 60. Occasionally a 30-second spin down can cause the RSP to fire while the rotor and camera are still spinning, and that will lead to damage on the back of the motor. So we give a little bit longer spin down delay on these ones. As you can see, they are starting to upright already. Okay. Purging in hot. Substrates and cassette are perfectly dry. Purging in hot. Substrate and cassettes are perfectly dry. Alright, this will conclude our video source inspection for today. Thank you for taking the time to view. Again, my name is Daniel Mullaney, and I filmed this video source inspection for Sitek Process Solutions. If you'd like to visit or see our full product listing, please visit our website at www.sitekprocess.com or give us a call at 916-797-9000 and to reach me directly, my extension is 121. Thank you, and have a great holidays.